Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Thanks for tuning in again with me on another closing bell. Today's Wednesday, the 17th of November. As we approach the end of the market here, it's around 2:30 p.m. And today we're going to keep it real short. I just kind of wanted to fill y'all in on one stock that we've been following this week. Yesterday I put out a video as we hit some of the lows there, and I was just kind of giving y'all that alert, letting y'all know, like, hey man, it would be a good time to buy into this stock. And today we actually seen a push up on the price, so I kind of had to fill y'all in on the future outlook on this stock as to how we may be ending the week here. First off, though, for all you new viewers, I gotta put y'all in the know. If y'all ready to get on some of these money trains and y'all trying to learn about how we trade some of these pre-breakout stocks, why don't y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button and be in the know every time I release one of these videos. Normally we talk about our top 4 picks of the day, but today, like I'm saying, we're gonna keep it real simple, and we're just gonna cover one stock today. And stock of the day is gonna be GREE, which is Greenidge Generation Holdings. The reason I wanted to catch y'all up on this stock here mainly, this one's a little bit pricier than the stocks we normally trade. We usually trade, we like to keep it between $2 and $10. Every now and again, though, we do kind of stray away from that price range and kind of move into some of these other stocks that I feel have a nice potential upside to them. And off the bat, this is a Bitcoin mining company. As you can see, it's got a nice history of the price action here, hitting highs of $60 on the daily, and we actually have a high of $91 here on the 4-hour, and this was not that long ago, a few weeks back. And this is also a favorite stock that I've been trading over the last few months. This is also known as SPRT, which was support.com before they had a merger with Greenidge Generation, and they became one company, and they're looking to mine these Bitcoin cryptocurrency, these tokens and things like that. It's the future, and they're invested in this heavily. And I had to let y'all know, though, as to what I'm looking at and reasons why I wanted to give out an alert today, letting you know on the price action that we've seen. Yesterday we hit a low, coming down $21, breaking through some of the higher levels that we've seen here, falling below the 50 days, you can see on the daily. But I do have a trend line that's drawn here that we've kind of been holding that position where we're looking to start to rebound here, as you can see the green candle forming on the daily. So hitting that $21, $21.55 yesterday. We've actually pushed up above $23 today. So we've already, $2 or so earlier in the day, and we're actually starting to play around that range also right now. As you can see, little by little, we're starting to squeeze back up, and I just had to, let y'all know that we're starting to feel like we're going to push back up to the upside, and this one can gap up pretty fast. Reason why the alert's going out today is Friday we do have some call options that are about to expire. And they're pricing, $35. I think it was around $35, the ones I was seeing. So I'm feeling like a lot of these, these suits are going to start pushing up this price. They try to sell out the stock here. As you can see, we've been testing this level around that $31 range here over the last few days. Finally, the short sellers pushed us down to the lower level here, which would be a good time to scoop up more of these shares, which I did. I picked up a few more here. And this is where I'm feeling like everybody's going to start pushing up on this price, and we're going to start to push up through this level. Now, it's not necessarily for a guarantee that we'll break this level here this week. Just going off of my own analysis and how these options play, normally this is what we see as a dip in the price, and right before they expire, before the end of the week here, they'll usually push this price right back up. And if we are able to break this $31 range, we're looking to hit these higher levels, and hopefully we'll start to see these all-time highs very, very soon. I'm really excited about trading this stock here. They also have some news that they're about to release as to some updates in their, their future prospects and things like that, things they got going on. And I just know that they got some big things coming, y'all. Right now the volume's not really heavy where we'd like to see it, but this price can also move pretty fast, as I was saying. If we can get something published on this stock here, as you can see, let's go ahead and pull up the news. They have I believe a presentation they're about to do here towards the end of the month, but I really feel like this month here we're definitely going to be breaking above this $30 price target. There are a lot of analysts already putting an overweight rating on this stock. As you can see the history, it's reached this price more than one time, and they're calling $79 to $85 on this. So reason why I'm playing with this stock, $22 now. If we're gonna look at 70, 80 bucks, you're looking to double or triple your money easily. Looking at the downside of this stock, $22. If we do come down, if we even come crashing down, $13, we're looking to hold support here on the low end. But so we might lose 10 bucks on a share, give or take. But I can gain, triple my money. I think the upside weighs a lot more than the downside. And even before we would hit this level, we would have to break below this $20. Now, if we started to break below $20, this is when we can start to dig in a little deeper just to feel if we're going to be holding these shares or if there's a future in this stock. But as of right now, we're on an uptrend. We're looking real healthy on the chart here. We have some good news that's been coming in and out over the last few days. They got a presentation that's going on. Their earnings, they made good revenue. They just didn't hit the targets that were expected, but it really wasn't bad. Some bad news that they provided there when it comes to their earnings, though. So this is something that really didn't cause the price to move too much. They do have a lot of movement going on here behind the scenes, but as you can see, I'm looking for those options. $40 call options, expiring November 19th. That's Friday. $35 calls, $30 calls. I mean, well, let's break that $30. We're looking to make some good money here soon on the short term. But on the long term, we got to break out of this range and then hold support around this $30. So if we're able to push up here and then see some support on this level, we should definitely be seeing some higher prices here real soon. But this is the news right now, that I gathered around this stock as to how I'm following it. And I really feel like we're going to be making some big moves here soon. Let's go ahead and dig into the 30-minute just to kind of show y'all, the little uptick in the volume there earlier. But you can see we hit that low yesterday, 21.55. And little by little, we're starting to trend back up already. Bam, we had that breakout, broke above the 50-day already. And now we're holding that support above that 50-day moving average. So we want to break above the 200-day exponential right here, which will probably see some resistance. So we're going to probably need something to drive the price up, but not necessarily, because like I'm saying, nothing drove this price up. We ain't got no volume or anything today, and we were able to break up and still we're holding right here. So I'm going to definitely keep an eye on this one for y'all, but I had to fill y'all in. I know it's a little pricey, but if y'all feel like this one's got some upside, let me know what y'all think. Comment below, give me some feedback there. If y'all looking to trade on this stock, I really think this is a good time to get in it. But if these videos are doing y'all something for y'all, putting some money in your pocket, giving y'all, the analysis you're looking for, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. But y'all got to subscribe to be in the know every time I drop one, y'all. But that's going to go ahead and cut the session for today. We're going to cut it short. But I'm going to fill y'all in tomorrow and definitely show y'all the direction we're moving when it comes to this stock. But we'll have an update come tomorrow morning. I'll put out another 4 top picks that we're looking at. If we see something moving in the morning, definitely call those out, and we'll fill y'all in on what it is that we're looking at throughout the week here as we come to an end here. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, y'all. We'll catch up real soon. Peace out.